Good evening to all. Welcome to today's class. Are you fine? Good. In the previous class, we have discussed about physiographical divisions of India. Today, we are going to discuss about rivers and climate of India. Let's begin. We have discussed the major mountain ranges in India. Many of these mountain ranges are the sources of a number of rivers. The Indian rivers are divided into two major groups, the Himalayan rivers and the peninsular rivers. Here, peninsular means seasonal. They receive water from rain. They cannot flow throughout the year. The Indus, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra are the Himalayan rivers, and the Mahanadi, the Godavari, the Krishna, the Kaveri, the Narmada and the Tapti are the peninsular rivers in India. Let's see some features of Himalayan rivers. The Indus River is one of the main rivers of the Indo-Gangetic Plain in the Indian subcontinent. It flows through China, India and Pakistan. Its tributaries are Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas and Satluj. Ganga is the largest river of India. It rises Gangotri Glacier near Gaimukh in the Uttarkashi district of Uttarakhand state. The Ganga plain is the most densely populated place in India. Many towns developed on the banks of this river. The river Brahmaputra originates from the Chamyungdang glacier of the Kailas ranges on the eastern side of Lake Manasarovar in Tibet. This river is known as River Sangpo in Tibet. It gets the name Brahmaputra when it reaches Arunachal Pradesh. This river has many tributaries. These are the features of Himalayan rivers. Understand? Next, we will move to the climate of India. Diverse climate prevails in India. India experiences rainy, winter and summer seasons. Of the two rainy seasons in India, the first extends from June to September and the second from October to November. The western coastal region bordering the Arabian Sea and the northeastern states receive heavy rainfall during these periods. Cherrapunji in Meghalaya receives the highest rainfall in India. The agricultural sector in India highly dependent on these rainy seasons. The winter season in India is experienced from December to February. It is followed by the summer season from March to May. Is it clear? That's all for today. Remaining part will be discussed in the next class.